Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. And so one question I think a lot of us have heard on YouTube is, should I quit my job for YouTube? And most YouTubers out there would tell you no. And I think that's really good advice and a smarter decision, especially if you actually have a family to support. But my answer is maybe. And so let me explain to you what that means. I think for the majority of us out there, we either don't like our jobs or absolutely hate our jobs. And I think there's only a very small percentage of people that actually enjoy what they do. Now for me, I'm thinking, well, maybe you should quit your current job, but still look for other ways to bring in money, because at the end of the day, if you don't have money, then all this other stuff is going to be the least of your worries, because you're probably going to go hungry. So that's what I'm really talking about when I say maybe quit your current job and look for other ways to make money. And so one of the easiest way to do that is to look for like part-time jobs. So in this case, you might have to have multiple part-time jobs. And even though that might seem like that's worse than what you're currently doing, I think it's better because it allows you more flexibility of your time. And usually in a part-time job, you don't have to put in as much energy and effort as you would in a full-time job where it requires much more of your time. And so that is my first suggestion. I think that's something that a lot of people can do. Now, the second suggestion is what I did. Look for work that is more complementary to what you want to do on YouTube and on the internet. So some perfect examples of this is digital marketing. I do Google ads, Facebook ads, all this stuff is on the internet. And that is complementary to what I want to do, which is YouTube, creating content, doing marketing on the internet. That goes hand in hand. And at the same time, most of these digital marketing jobs, you could do this completely on the internet. And so that's why I went that route, because it allowed me to work on things that I want to do anyway. And at the same time, I'm making money out of it. And so with this second route, it's definitely going to require you to learn new skills, unless you already have those skills. For example, if you are already doing digital marketing in an agency or in a business, then go out and do this for clients. For fast website hosting and top-notch customer service and features, check out Siteground, the preferred service used at GeekOutdoors.com. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below. And I'm not saying it's easy, but I think this is the best route, because if you're doing something that's complementary, more than likely you're going to enjoy it more, because this is something that you already want to do in the end. Because when you're doing YouTube or you're doing anything on the internet, a lot of these same things that you're doing for clients or at your job is going to be the same things that you're going to be doing for your own business. And so those are my two big recommendations on, maybe quitting your current job, but looking for other ways to bring in money, doing something that you actually enjoy, and then growing your YouTube or internet business at the same time. And so that is it for this particular video. If you actually had any thoughts on this, or maybe you have some of your own tips, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you wanted to see my entire YouTube journey, I do have a playlist. I will leave that in the description area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.